This is a quick glute series to re-engage the gluteal muscles, especially postpartum or after hip injury. So I have a ring here, which is something that you can squeeze in and you can also press out. You can also get an elastic band to put around your legs, which will work just fine. And then I have a little, I have a little ball, and you can use a ball like this that you can squeeze but retain some sort of density. And then also you can use just a pillow that is folded in half, but you need to make sure that when you squeeze it, there is some density left, okay? So the first thing that we're gonna do is put the ball between our knees, lay down flat on our back, and we're gonna engage with the breath that I always teach, which is an inhale through the nose and exhale through. You're narrowing the rib cage, pulling the front hip points together, and posteriorly rotating the pelvis just a little bit. And this time, because we have the ball between our knees, we're just gently engaging an adductor squeeze or an inner thigh squeeze on the ball, and you're pushing your feet just gently down into the floor. Not enough to lift your hips up, but you're just engaging with your feet. So once more. Okay, so now that we're set up in this position, we're gonna push slightly into the floor, and we're gonna drive the movement from our pubic bone up, not from our bra strap up, so we're not lifting the rib cage. Rather, we're lifting the pelvis first. So we're driving this movement from the pubic bone up and squeezing your glute muscles, and then gently lowering just a tap of your bottom to the floor, and then lifting. So what you're trying to do here is make sure that you're pushing your feet evenly through the floor, that your hip points are lifting up towards the ceiling the same amount, so that you're creating some symmetry in your pelvis and with your glutes. And if you feel like one side of your pelvis is dropped, you simply move that glute a little bit more aggressively than the other one in order to create symmetry in the pelvis. So this is number one. Exercise number one. I like to do this for a minute or so, and then you can lift and hold and just do tiny baby squeezes on the ball for 30 seconds at the end for a little bit of a burnout of your inner thighs and your glutes. So it's 1 minute up and down, and then 30 seconds just little baby squeezes on the ball, keeping your feet pushed through the floor. And then you lower down. Another one is to take this ring and put it around your legs. And this time, instead of squeezing in, you're gonna actually be pressing out. So I've got a ring or a band around my thighs. I'm again putting my feet into the floor, putting my hands down by my side, and engaging the breath. Then I'm pressing out into the band, lifting up into a bridge, and maintaining that press out into the band as I'm bridging up and down for a minute. And then after a minute, I'm staying up and I'm pressing out repeatedly into the circle or into the band to engage my outer hips. So you can work here for 30 seconds. And then when you are done with that, you can come on down. You can also lift up, press out, come back in, and come down. Lift up, press out, come back in, down, up, out, in, down. So that's another option. And again, I don't like to time these with repetitions because this is really a neuromuscular re-education exercise where you are reteaching your glutes how to engage. So it's better as a timed exercise where you're really just paying attention to what muscles are you engaging and how are you engaging them. That's the more important thing versus doing repetitions. Okay, so that's that.